Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. If this is your first time tuning in, welcome to the channel. I hope that you will like what you see and subscribe below for more. In today's video, I am going to be sharing a sneak peek of a new collection. I have a new box here. I haven't opened it. I'm assuming this is the Simplicity collection because I did just see Mimi share her upcoming summer pattern. So I'm expecting this to be Simplicity, but let's go ahead and get into it. I was right, it's the new Simplicity. The first one here is Simplicity 9945. This here is a Mrs. Dress and jumpsuit pattern. For fabric recommendations, it's recommended for a crepe, a denim, a linen, a ponte, a sateen, as well as some silky types. You will need some lining fabrics as well. And for size, the pattern is available in size 8 through 26. Super cute, going to be great for spring and summer if you like cutouts, and if you like a little bit of an exposed back, then you're going to really enjoy this pattern. The number again is Simplicity 9945. If this is your style, go ahead and write down this number. I forgot to tell you, go ahead and grab your pencils, papers, notebooks, or open your notes app and let's jot down some numbers. The second one here is Simplicity 9946. This one here is another one again from Mimi G. This is a Mrs. Dress pattern. For fabric recommendations, you can make this out of a chambray, a cotton blend, cotton lawns, linen blends, as well as poplins and rayons. And for sizes, it's available in sizes 8 through 26. This is a super cute dress. It has a little bit of a peekaboo along the midriff. So if having the back exposed isn't really your vibe, just a little bit of midriff, this pattern may be up your alley. This is definitely one that I would wear. And I'm actually going to put this to the side for me. But I think this is going to be super cute for spring and summer. Again, this number is 9946. This is a Mrs. Dress pattern by Mimi G. Next up in the collection, we have an easy to sew pattern. This is Simplicity 9947. This here is a Mrs. Knit dress with sleeve and length variations. For fabric recommendations, is recommended for stretch knit fabrics. So ITY knits, jerseys, poly spandex, those are the fabrics that are recommended. And this pattern here is available in size 4 through 20. But if you love this style, that it is also available in extended size range in the pattern envelope. The number is 9948. For this one, the sizing goes up to a 20W through 38W. So if you like this dress here on the Mrs. size pattern, the Simplicity 9947, it's available on 9948 for the extended plus size range. So definitely make sure that you take a look at the envelope so you're getting the size that you need. Really nice and really relaxed. So if this is your vibe, be sure to write down these two numbers. Oops, she's cute. This is a Mrs. Dress in 2 different lengths. For fabric recommendations, you can use a cotton, a crepe, a denim, a linen, a sateen, as well as silky types. And this pattern is available in size 6 through 24. Love this dress. Again, if having a little back exposed is your vibe, you are going to love this dress for spring and summer. I love this halter style neckline here. It looks like the closure is a button, not a tie. 2 buttons on the back of the neck for the halter closure. It does have a zipper as well. So again, if you love an exposed back, if you like a halter style dress for spring and summer, definitely write down Simplicity 9949. This one here is Simplicity 9950, another cute dress for spring and summer. This here is a Mrs. Dress with sleeve and length variations. For fabric recommendations, this can be made in a chambray, a cotton blend, cotton lawn, and linen blends, as well as poplin and rayon. And for sizing, this pattern is available in size 8 through 26. The sleeve options are really nice. I do like the VC, the one without the sleeves, but again, if you prefer sleeves, you have 2 different sleeve options for this pattern. I think this is a great dress for spring and summer. So go ahead and jot down Simplicity 9950. If you love summer dresses, this is going to be a cute one. I do love the different detailing that it has along the neck. Let's go ahead to the next one. Okay, next up is Simplicity 9945. This is really cute and really trendy right now. I've been seeing this style a lot. So if you've been seeing it too and you've been wanting a pattern forward, go ahead and write down Simplicity 9954. It can be made in a chambray, cotton blend, lightweight twill, linen blends, as well as poplin. And for sizing, it's available in size 6 through 24. This is a really nice skirt. It has the elastic waistband, some cargo pockets, as well as a lot of drawstrings. So if you like that detailing with some sandals, a little tank top, go ahead and write this number down. Again, the number is Simplicity 9954. Next up is Simplicity 9957. This one right here is going to be a really great one, I think, for spring and summer. This is a misses and women's pattern, shorts and pants. For fabric recommendations, you can use cotton blends, denim, linen blends, as well as twill. And for sizing, it's available in size 10 through 28. I really do like if you see all of the different denims that they used here, as well as the raw kind of fringy edge. So if you're interested, go ahead and write down Simplicity 9957. This is Simplicity 9958. This here is a Mrs. Top and skirt pattern. For fabric recommendations, they recommend a chambray, double gauze, linen, as well as silky types. And this pattern is available in size 8 through 26. Another cute pattern for spring and summer. So if you're interested, go ahead and write down 9958. Next up, we have Simplicity 9960. This is another easy to sew pattern. This one here is a men's pattern. This is a men's knit t-shirt, a shirt, and shorts. Very classic pieces to add to men's wardrobe. So if you have been looking for some nice staples, especially like a knit tee, can't ever go wrong with that. And some shorts, definitely write down Simplicity 9960. For fabric recommendations, view A, you will need knit fabric. So some jersey or some interlock. It also has lycra blends. Those would be great for view A. And then for the other two views, a lightweight denim, poly, rayon. Those are other options on the pattern. And the pattern is available in size 34 through 52. Great staples, and this is an easy to sew pattern. So if you're interested, go ahead and write down Simplicity 9960. Next up is Simplicity 9959. We have a unisex pattern here. This one here is Unisex Cargo pants. The fabric recommendations are cotton blends, lightweight denim, a lightweight stretch wovens, as well as the linen blends. This is available in extra small through extra large. So if you've been looking for a nice unisex cargo pants, it has some drawstring detailing along the hem, a lot of seam lines, some really nice big cargo pockets. If you've been looking for something like that, go ahead and write down Simplicity 9959. This collection also has a lot of children patterns as well. This one here is Simplicity 9961. This is a toddler's shorts, pants, hat, and knit top. For fabric recommendations, you will need stretch knits, so interlocks, ITY knits, rib knits. And for the other views, that's recommended for chambray, cotton blends, as well as double gauze, gingham. Those are some of the recommendations. For this pattern, it's available in size 1/2 through 4. I don't say that often. Again, this is a toddler's pattern. Next up is another easy to sew pattern. This is Simplicity 9962. This is a children's dress and shorts pattern. For fabric recommendations, they recommend a chambray, a double gauze, and a challis. It's available in sizes 3 through 8. Super cute little dress for a toddler here. Simplicity 9963. This one here, another easy to sew. This is a children and girls top, skirts, and pants. It can be made in cotton blends, lawn, gauze, linen blends. This one here is available in sizes 3 through 14. And then there's also another dress here. This is Simplicity 9964. This here is a girl's dress with back, bodice, and length variations. For fabric recommendations, the chambrays, the cottons, the gingham, the linen blends, and it's available in sizes 7 through 14. So again, this here is a girl's pattern. The pattern number is Simplicity 9964. Well, that is all of the sneak peek that I am going to share, but please know I did not share the full collection. There are more patterns here in this box, including some vintage patterns as well. I also saw accessory patterns as well as home decor patterns. If you like to make plush pets, I saw some patterns for those as well in this collection. I hope that you all have enjoyed the collection. Let me know below which ones are your favorites or the ones that you are interested in, and I will see you all in the next video. Blessings, everyone. Bye.